Dear friends, welcome to my channel Aroma at Usha. For more delicious healthy recipes from the channel Aroma at Usha, click the subscribe button and click the below bell icon. Today I am going to show a very tasty potato roast. For this recipe I have taken 300 grams of potatoes, 2 numbers of onion, 1 for grinding along with ginger and 1 to be chopped, 2-inch piece ginger, 1 tomato chopped, 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon of jaggery powder, salt. For this I have taken 300 grams of potatoes. Then I have peeled off skin, cut it into pieces and I have put it in water. Let it be in water for some time. Take 2 medium sized onion and 2 inch size ginger. Grind 1 onion and 2 inch size ginger coarsely. Take the other onion and chop it finely and keep it aside. Grind onion and ginger like this coarsely. Take the other onion and chop it finely like this. For this recipe I am using mustard oil. Heat a kadai and pour 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil gives distinct flavor to this dish. When the oil gets heated, add a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Now add the onion ginger paste. And fry it. Fry it until the raw smell disappears. Now add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute until the raw smell of the powders disappear. Now add 3/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder. Add quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix well. Now add 1 finely chopped onion and saute it. Add required amount of salt and saute well. Saute until onion cooks well. Now the onion has become soft. Add 1 finely chopped tomato and saute well. Now the tomatoes have become soft. and you can see the oil releasing. Add quarter teaspoon of jaggery powder. As we are using the mustard oil, we are using the jaggery powder. Now add the potatoes and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 100 ml of water. Cover it with the lid and cook until potatoes become soft and the water content evaporates. Now I have opened the lid. There is little more water content to evaporate, so saute for some time until the water content evaporates. Now it's perfectly done. Switch off the flame. Our potato roast is ready. Serve with rice, puri or chapatis.